Hey there, ready to take your French to the next level? Today I'm breaking down one of the most important and sometimes confusing parts of French grammar, personal pronouns. Let's start simple. In English, we use words like I, you, he, she, we, and they. In French, it's pretty similar, but the pronunciation and usage have some key differences. Here are the main French personal pronouns: je for I, tu for you. When you're talking to a friend, il for he or it, elle for she or it, nous for we, vous for you, formal or plural, and ils and elles for they. Now a few important notes. Tu is only for informal situations, like with friends or family. Vous is more polite, and always used with groups or strangers. Also, pay attention to gender. Il and ils are masculine, elle and elles are feminine. Even objects in French are either masculine or feminine, and that decides which pronoun you use. Let's look at a few quick examples. Je parle français. That means I speak French. Tu aimes la musique? Means do you like music? Elle est étudiante. She is a student. Nous allons au cinéma. We are going to the movies. Ils jouent au foot. They are playing soccer. Notice how the verb changes with the pronoun? That's called conjugation, and it's a big part of French. But don't stress. Start by memorizing these key pronouns and you'll get there. Here's a quick tip. Practice by making simple sentences using each pronoun. For example, je mange, tu manges, il mange. The more you say them out loud, the easier they'll stick. And don't forget the silent letters. For example, ils and elles are often pronounced the same, especially before a vowel. Mastering French pronouns is a huge step towards speaking confidently. So, keep practicing, listen to native speakers, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Thanks for watching, and bonne chance with your French studies.